We are checking in at the Hampton Hotel. It's a very nice hotel. Let's check it out. Where's the elevator? Elevator is all right here to the right. Oh yeah, number 1. There you go. I know it doesn't work, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna hold my my stepdaughter is doing the work here. All right, we are gonna check out the nice hotel. All right, we got some chicken, everything. All right, I'm not gonna show your face because somebody might trying to kidnap us, you know. But yes. We gotta go to 2, right? 2:15 and see what's going on. All right, you go first. But we got chili, we got everything. This is 2:15. So right on over there. God, this place is nice. Look at that. Look at that. I'm sorry. You want me to pull? Any push? Look at that. 2:15. Look at that. That's so nice room here. Look at that. New. Oh my. And it's like, this is really so beautiful here, you know. I'm telling you. This is Alabama. Alabama. Beautiful country. All right, 2:15 will be this one here. Let me check it in first. All right, we are on 2:15. All right, hold that key. The sheriff's. All right, see what's up. All right. Whoa. You have the stamp too. See? Nice. Oh man, it's beautiful here. All right. Yeah. Oh man. All right, let's check this out. Let's see. You take the bed over there, lady. Yeah, that's yours right there, and this is mine. Turned it on. Ooh, man. Look at this TV. We got some big screen TV. Nice. Well, no beer or anything. We got microwave. Oh, very nice. We got my computer here. I'm going to put my computer. All right. That's her bed. Look at that. Looks nice. Oh, man.
Does that go straight to Facebook?
No, not really. This is just a blog. Yeah, that's YouTube. This is mine here. I got my old thing. Let me see. Check out the bathroom. Check out the bathroom, man. Wow. Woo. Really nice bathroom. The Hampton Inn. Oh, my God. This is awesome bathroom. Look at that. Look at that. Everything. Oh, all the towels you can have. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Toilet. Oh, clean. Oh, man. I recommend this hotel. Hampton Inn. It's nice. Look at that. Oh. Right now, let me see. You know Harold Balder? You know Harold? He always said the noodle shower. I don't think it's a noodle shower. It's like a spaghetti shower. And look at that. Little spaghetti or like a little, little pasta there. Little, let's see. Yeah, just a spaghetti. But it's very nice. Look at that. Whew. I'm going to eat, man. I'm going to eat the fried chicken. God, look at that. Tiles looks good. Oh, man. All right. I'm going to close this. Oh, man. You got all this food right here. Man. I'm going to put it on the refrigerator because also the chili. Because, that's, man, I'm going to smash this up. These potatoes and all that. I didn't eat anything. Well, guys, thanks for, I'm going to go eat. I cannot, be bullshitting around. I got to go eat. All right? We're going to go eat. I'm sorry. All right. See you later.